Hello, Robert 100 car repairs. How to replace thermostat water coolant hose pipe. This is the pipe which is damaged, and that pipe is poor quality. So I have a better idea for this. Better buy that kind of. So this pipe is poor quality. It's broken already. It's useless, and it's original and easy to damaged. Right. So better buy the hose and repair by push inside by this part. Let's have a look more. And that transfer that part to here. That's working very well, and it's better quality than the original. I bought this pipe in Eurocarparts. Maybe more pictures. This is how replace. This is how it looks like. So I highly recommend use to the flexi pipe from the that goes inside from Eurocarparts. So that pipe is that hose is few months already. It's working fine and looks like that. It's here, going around. It's coming here. It's held by this for cable tie. Around, go underneath. There it goes. See that part.